Welcome to the Bauer Beauty channel. I posted a video a few days ago called Bauer Beauty Skincare Actives Explained. Got a few questions in the comment section, so I just want to go through them right now so that you guys can have the answers in video form versus me trying to explain it in text. One of the questions is, I ordered a bundle that includes the vitamin C, the peptide serum, and the barrier serum. They also have the niacinamide serum, glycolic acid, and the peptide water cream. Hey girl, hey. Thank you for your support. I'm going to give you a little explanation right now, but I'm also going to tag a video below that might help you. It is an unlisted video that goes out every time you purchase a Bauer Beauty product, as well as a one-sheeter, which I will also tag below. Vitamin C serum, peptide serum, barrier serum, niacinamide serum, glycolic acid, and the peptide water cream. Let's look at this. You're going to use the vitamin C in the morning, and you're going to use the peptide serum at night. You're going to use the barrier serum in the morning and at night if you want to. You're going to use the niacinamide serum in the morning. You're going to use the glycolic acid at night. And then you're going to use the peptide water cream either morning or evening. If you use it in the morning, you don't need to use it with the barrier serum. Is that confusing? Okay, so this is how you would layer it. In the morning, it would go vitamin C, niacinamide, barrier serum. In the evening, it would go peptide serum, peptide water cream. On the day you do the glycolic acid, let's say you do it at night, make sure you don't use any type of retinoid 3 days before and at least a day or two after you use the glycolic acid peel. Then follow with the peptide serum and the water cream. That's how you use all these products together. So I hope that clears it up. Next question. I have only purchased the niacinamide serum in the past when I believe it was your only product. I see you have a huge bundle of a good amount of products. Anyway, I'm wanting to purchase every product you have dropped. I'm wondering if you would recommend if that would be safe to use all the products. And she says her only concern is peptides because she may have an allergy. Okay, how to use all the products together? Yes, 100% it's safe to use them all together, except you have to be conscious when you're using actives. Anytime you use actives together, you're gonna have to take more care. The 2% rinse off BHA, the glycolic acid peel, and the retinol are the three you need to be the most aware of. Those are the most active, most strong actives in the line. Retinol cream is the one that you will be using the most frequently. You should use it every single night unless you're using tretinoin. Don't use the tretinoin and the retinol together. Use them every other day, swap them off, or every other week or every other month. Find a cadence that works for you and your skin type. Use the BHA, and then 5 days later use the glycolic acid, and then 5 days later use the BHA, and then 5 days later use the glycolic acid. Adjust that to a schedule that fits your skin type or your goals or your tolerance. For me, I can't exfoliate more than once or twice a week, and I really don't recommend exfoliating more than that. As far as using it AM or PM, that is up to you. They are both rinse off products, so as long as you're wearing sunscreen, you can use them AM or PM. I love using acid in the morning now because I use rinse off acid, and that allows me to continue using my retinol on a regular frequency at night. Outside of that, the rest of the products are not really going to require much currency from your skin, so meaning you don't have to be as careful with them. The vitamin C serum and the niacinamide serum are both actives, but they're just not damaging. They're not damaging to that degree. They're not going to sensitize you as much, so you don't have to be as careful. But you can follow the same rules as I said before. You can use the niacinamide serum, the vitamin C serum in the morning, and the barrier serum in the morning. So I like to use those three in the morning because niacinamide serum really refines the texture. So I just love how it makes my skin look throughout the day, and it also regulates oil. I feel like the ingredient profiles in the peptide serum and the vitamin C serum are kind of close. So I personally use them at opposite ends of the day. But if I did want to layer the peptide serum and the vitamin C serum, I would put the peptide serum first and I would let it fully absorb, and then I would follow with the vitamin C serum and then follow with the niacinamide serum. But I just don't recommend using that many products in one single routine, because no matter what, I always recommend sealing everything in with the barrier serum. The barrier serum is a occlusive layer that's going to help seal in all the ingredients that you just layered on. And I always recommend using it in the morning because I feel like I always need like a little bit of a moisturizer under my sunscreen, but not like a full moisturizer. And so the barrier serum is like my go-to for that. And then obviously you always want to use vitamin C serum in the morning because it's a great active that will enhance your sunscreen protection throughout the day and also protect you from free radicals throughout the day. Vitamin C is always good to use in the morning. I like using the peptide serum at night. When you sleep, your body is already repairing itself. So I love putting the peptides on at night because I feel like it's really helping to stimulate the collagen production and the hydration in the skin overnight. If you have both the retinol cream and the peptide cream, then I would recommend layering the retinol cream under the peptide cream. That is an amazing combination. The ingredient profiles are complementary and it's really going to seal in the retinol if you layer the peptide cream over it. And especially in the winter months, you can definitely double up those layers. If you want to layer the peptide cream and the barrier serum, I recommend putting the barrier serum over the peptide cream because the barrier serum is almost kind of like an oil. It's not an oil because it dries matte, but I think it layers really nice that way. It's very occlusive. You want to layer the most occlusive layer last. If you're doing it that way, then you're basically using the peptide water cream as like a pressed serum, which is an option. It has so many amazing ingredients. It has so many antioxidants and stem cells and peptides and hydrators that it is basically like a very pressed serum. Peptide cream over the vitamin C serum and under the barrier serum. And then obviously you need sunscreen on top. I think that's it. So I hope that was helpful. See why I needed to explain this verbally because it can get a little overwhelming. Leave any questions below and I will try to answer them the best I can, either in video or written form, and I will see you guys very soon. Goodbye.